Greg with Finches in Flight here. First time using dump station, so I'm going to show you. Should be pretty similar to sewer, normal sewer hookup, but didn't have that luxury this time. So obviously you've got your attachment for the ground. And this bad boy.
Always wear gloves. Safety first, guys.
Obviously make sure your black tank is closed before you open up. That would be regrettable very quickly. I like having the clear attachment here so that you can actually keep track of what is being when it's finished. And as always, kind of like reading a book, I go left to right. Maybe that's my setup, black first, then gray. So pull the black and
Lovely.
let it drain. Always make sure this is secure down here so it doesn't come up. Again, another big regret. Fortunately, that's not happened to me yet. And then you obviously drain it until it goes. This place has the luxury of a hose right next. Again, this is my first time at a dump station. So I already have it connected to my black flush tank valve. I think most, for clean out, I think most new campers have this. So as that black tank's being drained, turn on the water and kind of help propel everything out. And I essentially run this until it's all clear. Once this is clear, I repeat same steps with the gray tank. Now, gray tank doesn't have a flush out. That the hose is just for the black tank, so make sure you turn off the water, then close your black tank before flushing the gray tank. Happy camping, Finches in Flight.